Hello everybody, I'm Russian Mokha and thank you for coming today, and I'm super excited to see so many women over here in this room. Normally when I go to technology conferences or speak at events that are not women in tech events, I see most faces to be male faces. So this is very exciting and very encouraging for me to see so many women in STEM and actually thinking about pursuing a career in AI and in technology. So who am I? I am an influencer, I'm an author, I'm a speaker, I'm a tech evangelist, and a startup advisor. But the reason why I bring this up all the time is when I go to colleges, when I go to universities, and when I start talking about my experiences, I want to talk about the paradigm shift. I want to start by saying that you can have many lives. You can have various roles in this one life, and you can be successful in each one of these roles. So I'm also the founder of Eva, which is Empowered Women of the World, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it and what it means. But for those of you who want to follow me on Twitter, that's my Twitter ID. I'll get it out of the way so that you have it. I'm sorry I don't have a QR code like most of the people over here had for WeChat, but we'll work with the Twitter ID for now. And then I also have my website up over there. Can we please move on to the next slide? So my journey. I was 15 years old. I was preparing for my medical exam. And this is back home in India, where essentially kids had three careers. They were either a doctor, or an engineer, or they were nobody. Okay, the third category was nobody. So I was preparing for my medical exam. 15 years old, I suddenly noticed a little bump one day while studying next to my neck. And it's a little painful, so I tell my dad is a doctor. He says, it's okay, it's fine, no need to worry about medicines. 10 days later, I have fever and the lump persists. So suddenly I'm taken into the hospital and there's a cancer scare, and I'm doing probiopsies and trying to figure out whether I live past 2 months or not. So 2.5 months in the hospital, I figured out it was a bad case of lymphadenitis, which I still suffer from. Every 2 years it kind of comes back. But in the process, what happened was that I lost the seat that I had in the medical school. And very reluctantly and depressed, I took on a course in botany in Delhi University. And my mother came across this scholarship that was going on for a computer science program, and she said, well, why don't you just take it? And I was like, I'm not interested in computer science. And she said, well, there's no harm trying it out. So I took this scholarship test, and I got 75% scholarship. So then, I could obviously try it because I was not investing a lot of my parents' money into it. I tried it out, and there started my journey into computer science. I want to bring this up quickly because many of you yesterday at the dinner table said, I'm not good at math, I'm not good with technology. I wasn't good either, right? And then some of the books that I've written and places that I've presented at, but basically I wanted to highlight, especially for the women out here, that you can give it a try to technology. If it doesn't work for you, at least you have given it a try. Next slide, please. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about AI today. Voice is the new standard. As you can see, there has been a massive shift. In 2014, there was only 10% of the searches that used to happen to conversational AI, and nowadays, virtual assistants exceed 50 billion voice searches per month. It's huge. Amazon Echo is the most sold device, and by 2020, 200 billion searches per month are going to happen through voice. And now that we have this power with us, how can we use voice for impact? Look at all the Alexa skills that are available. 3 of these are mine: the holiday kindness, leadership affirmations, and the detox affirmations. And then there's bias busting for kids. There's autism help. My father-in-law suffers from Alzheimer's, and there are apps available for that. Brain workouts, Save Water by Colgate. But essentially, AI and conversational AI in particular is actually impacting the way we conduct business. So we're talking about Alexa by Amazon, Google Home by Google, Siri by Apple, and Cortana by Microsoft. I want to bring it up over here because it's a hot topic. There is bias in AI. And bias doesn't come from AI algorithm, it actually comes from the people who write those algorithms. Textbooks reflect bias from their authors. Similarly, algorithms reflect bias from the authors of those algorithms. And here are some examples, and I want to point this out because we're going to have a panel discussion around AI in business. If you look at it, IBM and Microsoft face recognition software, it works fine 99% of the times when it's an average white man facial recognition. But when it comes to dark-skinned women like me, the accuracy reduces to 33%. Apple Health app, when they launched it in 2015, did not consider how the metabolism in women is different from metabolism in men, and hence the application, the health app that they put out there did not work for women. And then, if you look at Google, if you do a search for women CEOs, only 75% of the images, 11% of the images actually are of women CEOs. The reality is that 27% women CEOs that exist today. So I wanted to bring this out because I want you to understand, as you will be taking this leap into the AI journey, make sure that your decisions are not biased. If you're ever going to write algorithms, to make sure that it's an equal word for everybody. Next slide, please. Okay, some facts over here. Women represent 51% of the world's population. We account for 4.3 trillion of total US consumer spending. Clearly, we are not a minority. So anybody who says we are a minority, we are not a minority. So do not create solutions just for 49% of the audience. Create solutions for 100% of your audience. Next slide, please. This is a study that was done for leadership effectiveness. I want to bring this up. Typically, when you start thinking about women leaders and women in technology leaders, there are very few of these women leaders that are out there. I want you to take a quick look at it and see that of the 13 parameters that were defined, women actually were better in 11 parameters as compared to men. And there's a whole research around it. I'm happy to provide details to anybody who wants to take a look at it. Next slide, please. So AI in business, that's what we're going to talk about. I also have copies of my book, Fast Track Your Leadership Career, which is Amazon bestseller. I have about 10 copies, so anybody who wants to come get a signed copy from me later on, I'll be happy to do that. Thank you.